Hi everybody, welcome to Thai Language Training Center, new concept English video classroom, and today we will learn lesson 42. Sağlaştırsınızlar. Hem de bugünkü 42 derste şu aldığımızdaki şu toxtalgan mazmundaki bir tekrar üstü toxtalımız. Bu dersimizin teması nima? Is there a in or on that, or is there any in or on that? In or on that. Okay, first of all, let's learn some new words. The first word is bird. Okay, bird. Okay, dabaqla bird. Xo'sh, bird deganimiz qush degan gap, ha? Okay, qush degan gap. Qarab baqla, qush nima qushda? What bird is this? What bird is this? Sizlarcha, qaysi nima qush? Qaysi qush? Shunami? Okay. Masalan, the bird is not itself today. Okay, I'm thinking a bird is not itself today. And the bird, qush is not a mess itself. Itself u o'zi. Demakchi, qushlar qush o'zi emas bo'lib qoldi. Demakchi, o'ziga o'xshamaydigan bo'lib qoldi degan gap, ha. Okay, bird is not itself today. Shunaqa hozir qushlar zamondan taraqqiy qilishga qana qildi, o'zgarib ketdi, shunaqami? Okay. Yana ba'zi naqshlar bor. You know, I want to fly. I want to be a bird. I want to fly. I want to fly. Okay, I want to fly. And I want to be a bird. I want to be a bird. You know, some birds are flying in the sky. Okay, and some birds and are flying in the sky. Again, that was asmanda uçuwatıdı. Demek ki birnech kuşlar asmanda qanday qilyapti? Uçuwatıdı. Some birds are flying in the sky. Xo'sh, endi bu darsimizdagi some bilan any'ning ishiltilishi asosliq demaysan, bu shu. Endi some degan nima, any degan nima? Endi bu some bilan ingliz tilida endi aniq bo'lmagan bir sonni bildirmasdan bir aniq sonni bildirmasdan faqat nima deysan, son yoki miqdor jihatdan hamda shu ko'p ekanligini bildirdi. Demak, endi some any hamda masalan sanag'an bo'lgan ismlarning oldiga kelsa bir qancha, sanag'an bo'lmaydigan ismlarning oldiga kelsa biza, azroq, bir qancha degan ma'noni bildirdi. Okay. Endi any'ni savol jumla va inkor jumlada ishlatamiz. Endi some'ni cho'risanglar, faqat bo'lishliq jumlada ishlatamiz. Ama intayinini qo'ysana, bo'lishliq jumlada ama kunding deymiz. Shunami? Kunding juda some'ni ishlatamiz. Biroq any'ni cho'risanglar, savol jumla va inkor jumlalar. Masalan, are there any ties on the chair? Demak, endi o'rindiqning ustida bir nechta tal galastuk bormi? And are there some deb qo'ysak qanday desanglar bo'lmaydi. Endi some'ning savol jumlalari bir ishlatishlar bor. Endi buni keyinchami yangi o'quv ingliz tili ikkiga chiqqanda tafsilga to'xtalamiz bu. Endi sizlarda hamda ma'sharoitda qanday desanglar bek ichkilab chirib ketishga bo'lmaydi. Bu shuni bilish kerak, cho'qim bilish kerak-da, ma grammatik huquqni. Okay. Are there any ties on the chair? Demak, endi o'rindiqning ustida bir nechta galastuk bormi? No, there aren't any ties on the chair. Nima? Yo'q. Demakchi, there aren't any ties on the chair. Demakchi, o'rindiqning ustida nimalar yo'q? Galastuklar yo'q. Endi yana masalan savol jumla qarasang, is there any milk in the cup? Nima uchun is there ni ishlatamiz deganda, is there ni ishlatgan there is. There be shakliniki there is birga sanag'ini bo'lmaydigan ismlarga, yana birga sanag'ini bo'lgan ismlarni birlik shaklga keldi, shunami? Endi bu savol qaylanoganda is there any milk in the cup? Asl shakli ma'risanglar, there is some milk in the cup deymiz. Endi stakanda azroq nima sut bor. Is there any milk in the cup? Demakchi, stakanda azroq sut bormi? No, there isn't any milk in the cup. Nima? Stakanda azroq nima yo'q, sut yo'q. Are there any pens on the table? Are there any pens on the table? Demakchi, endi ustalda bir qalamlar bormi? Are there any pens on the table? So no, there aren't any pens on the table. Nima? Afsalnoslar nimalar yo'q. On the qalamlar yo'q. No, there aren't any pens on the table. Aren't any pens on the table. Endi mushu son nima desanglar, mushu bayon jumla bilan savol jumlaga javob berish kuchini ishlatamiz. Mushu bo'lishliq jumla bo'ladimi? Masalan, there is some water in the glass. Stakanda azroq suv bor. Okay. There are some cigarettes in the box. Hamda yeyishda bir necha tomoq bor. There are some books in my bag. Demakchi, sumkamda bir qancha kitoblar bor. Demak, hamda mushu bayon jumlaga nima desanglar, bo'lishliq bayon jumlaga nima desanglar, mushu sam keladi. Sam keladi. Xo'sh, hamsa bir practice qilib qo'yaylik. Qaranglar, bu intayin omoq. Mushuklarni, eshitlarni. Let's practice. Good. And using a, some, any. Now, mushu kuchini ishlatib, hamsa mana jumlaga qo'yib qo'yinglar bolalar. Qaranglar, is there blah 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 book on the desk? Demakchi, partining ustida kitob bormi? Endi bu oldir is there bo'lgan ekan nima desam, cho'qim ismning yo sanog'i bo'lgan ismning birli shakli yoki sanog'i bo'lmagan ism. Qarasanglar, book sanog'i bo'lgan ismning keyin as yo'qkan shunga buningga nima kelishi kerak? A book. Okay. Is there a book on the desk? Okay. She said, there is coffee on the table. There is coffee on the table. And there is some coffee on the table. What is that? Some Okay. Is there force on the dish? And the bush tax and the forks quickly can one. Any fork. I got on the fork. Is there a fork? Is there any forks? Okay. There is not blah 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 cups here. Okay, there is not any cups here. The entire one and the cook and I got to Okay. And there is a passport on the table. Okay, is there a passport on the table? Yes, there is. There is one on the table. And they make my uyghur talab ishlaymiz. Endi mushu bir jumla bergan bo'lsa, mushuni avval savolga aylantiramiz, undan keyin javob beramiz, oddiy savol. Undan keyin nima desam, there is one on the table. Shuni orqali mushuni to'g'ri bilsam bo'ladi. Demak, is there a passport on the table? Yes, there is. There is one on the table. Mesela there is some milk on the table. And then and the swallow answer, is there any milk on the table? Swallow cümleleri geliyor, any geliyor, buluştuk cümlede bayan cümlede some geliyor. Yes, there is. There is some on the table. Demek ki some dediğimiz olmaz, some milk. And there is a spoon on the table. And is there a spoon on the table? Yes, there is. There is one on the table. There is one name, there is some that I'm sure bo'ldi. Misol agar biz additalimiz bo'lsa, davomli aylanib ko'rgaysizlar. Agar addital bo'lmagan sharoitda bo'lsa, additalni tushirib olsanglar, texnik ko'p mazmunlar bor. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.